I'm here at CES 2026 and I think I just found the holy grail for pool owners. I'm at the WYBOT booth and they are officially ending the era of manual pool maintenance. We're talking about 3D mapping, solar power, and get this, a robot that actually empties itself. Let's dive in. First up is the star of the show, the WYBOT S3. WYBOT is calling this pool cleaning 3.0, and for good reason.
And the key element is that it empties itself. So now you have solar, you have automatic cleaning coming back to recharge, and then clean the robot itself so you don't have to pull it out of the water every time it cleans.
This is the world's first robotic cleaner with underwater 3D mapping and positioning. On its first run, it maps the entire pool so it never misses a spot. But here's the real game changer, the self-cleaning function. When it's done, it transfers all the debris to an onshore 10-liter dustbin. It even has self-sanitizing system inside the collector. They say that you can leave this thing alone and not maintain it for even a month. So go on vacation.
Another key feature is the dual filtration. We have two filters because the important part is the robot not only cleans the dirt on the pool, but it also filters all the water that is in the pool. This robot filters about 3,000 gallons per hour. So if you have it in the pool for 3 hours, it's about 9,000 gallons that are gonna go through here to pick up dirt that is floating around, small particles of dust or algae that is gonna get stuck to this filter. And the basket filter is more for the big particles, but also if you see the mesh, it's gonna pick up very fine dirt that you have in the product.
If you thought LiDAR was just for self-driving cars, think again. The WYBOT C3 uses LiDAR Vision mapping for navigation and features dual brushless pumps for serious suction. They also showed off the Vision series, like the F1 Vision, the C2 Pro Vision. These AI visual assistants see debris and clean more efficiently.
Here is called the C2 Pro Vision. And the reason it's called like that is because you have two sensors, one sonar sensor and one IR sensor. That it gives them the capability of doing a more accurate, a faster process of cleaning during the pool. And then the most innovative addition to this model is the AI camera. With the AI camera, the robot is gonna sit in the pool, do a scan, and figure out what they need to clean. So if they see spots in the pool that are having more dirt, then they're gonna go to those places first and clean that. And then after they see that the pool is clean to their satisfaction, then he's gonna continue to clean the pool for about 3.5 hours. After that, you pull it out and then you open the little cap and then charge it for another 3.5 hours and then put it back in the pool if you wanna do it, or you can do it in a later day. Another feature that these C2 have is a feature that you put it in the pool and you tell them to stay in the pool for 7 days. So you activate it to clean for half an hour, wait 2 days, and then clean another half an hour on the third day, and then so forth for 7 days. So you really don't have to start pulling the robot every time you need. It does a cycle, so you can use it in a longer period of time inside the pool.
The F1 Vision is especially cool because it's a dedicated skimmer that can run for up to 8 hours on a single charge. One theme I'm seeing everywhere at this booth is sustainability. Models like the S2 Solar and the F1 Vision support both DC and solar charging.
Battery charging in the back. You have a connector in the back that you can put against the wall, so your robot always works. Apart from that, the robot charges inside the water. It goes out, it cleans, and then it comes back and it recharges.
So you can basically live in your pool and stay powered up by the sun. They also have a WYBOT A2, which is the first terrain adaptive cleaner designed to handle different floors, shapes, slopes without getting stuck.
You also have the sonar and an infrared navigation and the camera as well. So we have all different price points for different needs for the consumer. So the ideal customer for this is a customer that has a pool that is about 600, 700 square feet that only cares about cleaning the bottom of the pool.
Whether it's a 140-watt suction on the C3 or a month-long autonomy of the S3, WYBOT is clearly pushing the limits of what pool robots can do. After 20 years in the industry, they're definitely the ones to watch this year. Which one would you want in your pool? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more CES 2026 coverage. See you in the next one.